Dust, smudges, and grime slowing you down? Say hello to the Ordilend Keyboard Cleaning Kit, your all-in-one solution for keeping your devices spotless and running smoothly. This multifunction cleaning tool is perfect for tackling keyboards, screens, earbuds, cameras, monitors, and more. Featuring a patented design, it combines a soft cleaning brush for delicate screens, precise tools for hard-to-reach keyboard crevices, and specialized tips for keeping earbuds and ports clean and clear. Whether you're freshening up your laptop, polishing your iPad, or maintaining your camera gear, this kit has everything you need for a thorough, professional-level clean. Compact, portable, and easy to use, it's the ultimate accessory for anyone who values a clean workspace and flawless device performance. Keep your devices looking like new and performing at their best with the Ordilend Keyboard Cleaning Kit, because a clean device is a happy device.